नमस्ते दोस्तों, फाइनली मैं पहुंच चुका हूं सुब्रमण्य। कैफ़े में फ्रूट सलाद खाते खाते ट्रिप की आइटिनरी प्लान कर रहा हूं मैं। आइटिनरी बनने के बाद सोचा कि थोड़ा पैसा भी कमा लूं। फाइनली अभी मैं घर आ चुका हूं और मैंने फर्स्ट एड और सैनिटरी की शॉपिंग कर ली है। तो ये ट्रिप होने वाली है 2500 से 3000 किलोमीटर के बीच में, जाके पानी भर के ले लेता हूँ क्योंकि समर चल रहा है और मैंने कर लिए है 10 दिन के कपड़े पैकिंग विद अ बेडशीट। फाइनली अगली सुबह मैं लेने जा रहा हूँ अपनी कार Hyundai Eon, जो कि मैंने रेंट करी है जूम कार से, और ये एक स्पॉन्सर वीडियो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। और फाइनली मुझे कार मिल चुकी है, वो भी हाफ टैंक नहीं, पूरा खाली टैंक है इसका। तो किसी भी सफ़र को शुरू करने से पहले ना भगवान से आशीर्वाद लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और भगवान की पूजा करके मैं आ चुका हूँ पेट्रोल पंप पे। अभी मैं इस पर भरवा रहा हूँ पेट्रोल निकलने से पहले। ये वाले व्लॉग्स मैंने रिकॉर्ड किए थे 2023 अप्रैल में। मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं व्लॉग इंग्लिश में बनाऊंगा या फिर हिंदी में। तो इस वाले रोड ट्रिप के लिए आप मेरे इंग्लिश सह रहना। इसकी आने वाली वीडियोस जो भी होंगे वो सारी हिंदी में होंगी। तो अभी राइट नाउ आई हैव टेकन Hyundai Eon, and right now I have done a full tank. Right now it's full and approximately it's driven for like 88,440, and I am starting towards Pune. And once I reach Pune I have some work to finish, and once I am done with that work I'll be off to Mumbai. And then yeah, my route is going to be anywhere between Mysore to Yeshwanthpur. So this is Kaustubh and I'm in Hyundai Eon right now, and I'm driving right now at Mysore Bangalore Expressway. From here I will be going to Mumbai directly. So in between I have one stop of approximately 6 to 8 hours. I'll be staying in Pune. Once I finish that work I'll be off to Mumbai. Okay, so I'll show you the other side of my view, how I am driving right now. Like on an average I'm cruising at 100 and comfortably going. The vehicle is nice, not meant for city I feel like, because the steering shakes a lot and the gearbox that little shaky, like shaggy type, you know, those old Innovas where they shake a little bit. But to the other side it's completely fine. It's amazing, it's amazing. But if I show you from my perspective, like my point of view, it is an amazing drive. It's going to be approximately, I'm going to be driving approximately 2500 to 3500. So let's hope how the trip's going to go, and I hope it goes safe and well for me. I don't know what I am going to talk in this video, at least I don't know what all bullshit I'm talking, but yeah, I don't understand right now. This is my first video. I mean, I have recorded many videos, but yeah, probably I'll be recording and uploading this video for the first time, as I am traveling on Pune Bangalore Expressway, which is my childhood dream, to travel from Bangalore to Pune on that highway, and that amazing experience definitely will have. Right now it's peace. Alright, I'll shift the view to the other side. So I have finally shifted the view towards the other side, and just look at it. Finally the dream is coming true. I am driving in Hyundai Eon on my childhood dream route, which is Bangalore to Pune Expressway. So basically I have started my journey from Mysore and I'll be driving towards Mumbai, and right now I am cruising at 100 and the view is mind blowing and amazing. And I for the first 20 kilometers I was freaking nervous and I was feeling scared that I should do this trip or not, or should I cancel this. So I was having a lot of questions and I was slightly scared, and my friends told me that this is the unsafe car you can travel. If by forbid anything happens, the chances of survival is very less, very thin. So I am slightly nervous, and as I am about to drive and as the journey is going on, my fear is getting out of my body, and I am just falling in love with this trip, with this journey, and right now I have crossed close to 40 kilometers, and it is let me see here, exactly Bangalore is 69 kilometers more, and I am cruising at 100. Just look at this, man. What a beautiful view. Wow. Ha. Like, look at that mountain as well. And I badly want to play Chaya Chaya song, but I cannot due to the copyright reasons, because YouTube's gonna probably remove my video. But I hope you guys can understand my emotion, this scenery, and who would not love to play such a beautiful song. This is just Bangalore Mysore Expressway, and there's a lot more to come in the video, and this is just amazing, man. I could not believe I'm finally doing that. Bangalore is just 46 kilometers left, and I am overtaking right now the red bus, which is Kia's RCTC, and it's I cannot be more humble than ever in my life. Thank you so much, God, for this beautiful opportunity. I'm just, my goodness, I am loving it. But yeah, cruising at 100 and recording this one beautiful video for you, and I am doing this solo journey, and I am hoping for more in the future as well. If I'm not wrong, I think we have our first toll coming in, which is at this side right now. Okay. Anyways, let us see how it is gonna be. We'll experience. Such a fool I am. I just found out that this vehicle does not have a FASTag, and now I am liable to pay the toll via cash, and the entire journey I have to keep paying it via cash, double the price. Shit, man, I can't even go back and get a FASTag now. It doesn't make sense. तो अब हम निकल रहे पुणे की तरफ, और ये हुआ हमारा रोड, यहीं से start from this road, and there we have Pune, and then we'll start moving ahead. So then we take a left, and that's it. Good. So we are on the way to Pune. Good. Let us make it and go on the highway. So this highway will directly take us to the Pune once we pass this toll, and then let's get on the trip started. यार लोग हाईवे पे भी रॉन्ग साइड से आते हैं ना. Yes, we are on the way to Pune. So this highway will directly take us, it's a straight road to Pune Bangalore, Pune Bangalore Expressway, and this will directly lead us to Pune, and I'm so fucking happy. Sorry to use a curse word, but yeah, it's been my childhood dream that I must travel such routes, and it's all I have been dreaming for till now, and that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna drive for close to 1,000 kilometers straight and non-stop, and let's see till where it goes and how it goes. And on this journey I'll definitely share you my experience. Alright, so I'm back over here again, and I just finished having my breakfast right now, and I took approximately 30-45 minutes of break right now, and again I'll be starting to drive up until 2 to 3 o'clock, or until I get a place to have good lunch, and then yeah, let's reach Pune, and then we'll see. Now I'll see you on the road. Alright, okay, so finally we have finished with our breakfast, and just let me take reverse, and then let's get back to the drive, and let's get on the highway first. Alright, so I'm just trying to balance and roll over here. Okay, so it's slightly a rough road only for the next 10 meters, and here the food was not too good. It was like slightly average, not bad, not good, but yeah, it was not worth the money. But anyways, guys, being from a super middle class, I mean lower middle class, this
is just an dream that I have been watching from childhood. I remember when I was in my hometown, I used to go towards highway, and on the board I used to say, I used to read that this is a Pune Bangalore expressway. So I used to wonder how it would be driving in the car from one end to the other end. And today finally I am living that dream after nearly 10-15 years, and I just cannot believe it. My goodness.
So we have already passed one more toll. If I'm not wrong, this is third or fourth one. So yes, just past one more toll, paying double the amount. Example, if the toll costs like 100, we are paying like 200. That's quite a shitty stuff. But I hope that Zoom car will refund me whatever I'm paying on the toll. Kind of will be paying a little more on the fuel side. That's the truck going on beside me, and on an average I've driven like 300 to 400 kilometers. Yeah, approximately 350 I've driven, and yeah, lot more to go. Lot is approximately 700 kilometers. Yeah, 700. It's too hot outside right now. That's why my phone is heating up, and you can't believe my iPhone has never shown a temperature warning. And today, guess what happened? It freaking did show me a warning that, and it says that you cannot use your phone until it cools down. And I'm like, shit. Right now I have like plugged my phone into a charging, songs are playing, I am recording, plus it's a heat, hot sun. Do you get it? It's burning, literally. AC is not at all enough. Ventilated seats, unfortunately, are not available in this car. So my backs and my hamstrings area are slightly wet, but it's completely fine. I'm literally enjoying it. This drive, it's so great, so great. It used to be my always dream to drive from Bangalore to Mumbai, Pune, in one stretch, and that's what I'm gonna do today. And let me show you. Sorry, let me show you what I can see over here. Okay, what's this? Just so freaking cool. The roads are so amazing, and yeah, the drive feels so great, so good. Wow, I am literally loving this. We are cruising close to 100. Oh my goodness. This idiot does not have any courtesy to show an indicator, nor his number plate is visible. You can have a look. Anyways, let's continue and focus on our drive. Let me shift the gear to the higher one and then continue cruising.
As you can like see in the video that I am cruising over 90, 100, 110, and sun is out, and it's the heat is just like killing me and draining me. I've been just drinking a lot of water, and the cloths that you see behind me are slightly wet, and I've just kept them on that messed up and on the seats because I wanted to dry, and I'm sorry for that. I'm just traveling alone, so I'm like slightly messed up today. but do not worry, I will clean that up pretty fast. But look at the view, man. Empty roads, 6 lanes highway. What else do you want in life? Now that only thing I want in life at this moment is it's noon and I want good and tasty food. Alright, so we have a lunch break and we have a lemon chicken with the roti, and let's cook. Let's have some and then take some rest. We probably might take a shower over here and then we'll move back to the drive. Oof, 690 kilometers left towards the Pune. I just had my lunch and now I'm going towards Chitradurga via Nipani to Kolhapur to Pune, and then probably hoping to be reaching there by 3 p.m. 3 a.m. sorry. Okay. When I started from Bison, my ETA was around 11 a.m. but I took a hell lot of breaks like a lunatic, and I was supposed to be early in reaching the time towards my location, but I don't think so I'm gonna reach any time earlier. Even if I reach by 5 a.m. I am the happiest, because you know why? I love and I'm enjoying driving on these roads. Amazing, what a beautiful moment, and I'm able to experience, and the roads are just wide enough. Just have a look at it. Just have a look at it. Wow. Okay. Yeah. There you go. In the lane. Aren't they amazing? Huh? My God. I remember whenever I used to go towards the highway from Belgaum. Actually, I was born and brought up in Belgaum, and whenever I used to go, I used to see if I turn right on the highway, I will go to Bangalore, and if I turn left, I'll go to Pune and Mumbai. I always had a thought when I was young that I must drive this entire stretch starting from Bangalore till Pune and then Mumbai. And guess what? 6 to 10 years down the line, which is today, I'm able to do that. And my God, this is unbelievable. So this is one of the longest highways in the country, and one of the longest, not the longest, right? So get that differences. Also, maybe next quarter I have a target of driving from Mumbai to Delhi Expressway, which is newly opened, wide enough, and it is more futuristic and great roads. So we are right now in yeah, and something bullshit. I guess the toll is over here right again. I'm gonna pay double it. No wait, that's not a toll. That's a flyover, and glad that I had not to stop, and I'm happy. No more tolls to pay, I hope. Alright, chalo. See you ahead of the journey. So the visibility is 0 right now. I can't see any shit, and I have turned on the indicators to both the sides. Dude, this is my first time driving in the rain on a trip. Amazing. I'm loving this experience, and I'm literally racing with this fellow. Shit, that guy almost missed out. Visibility is literally 0. I'll show you a normal angle. This is how it looks towards me. Whoa. Bye. Amazing. Wow. Speed limits is 80, driving at approximately 85. That's all okay. We'll stop. I guess we crossed over that lane area. Okay. There's a
still coming from behind. Yep. What a beautiful view it is. Lovely, isn't it? Those poles on the sides, those windmills spinning on the mountain, just looks pretty.
As you can see on the top, Mumbai is 790 kilometers. So the sun is about to set. It's nearly 4 p.m. in the noon, and just look at the golden hour rush that is right above my head. It looks so adorable and admirable and just gorgeous. And these roads are super amazing, man, super amazing. I am loving this. Wow, thank you God for this opportunity. So I'm just trying to like set up my time lapse position, but I am unable to because I want to record as much content as possible, because this is the first time of me driving on the longest stretch, and it is just unbelievable. Before this, I have driven from Mysore to Goa once in Hyundai Venue, and I'll be uploading that vlog probably after this. You can see that. Now, until then, you enjoy the time lapse.
So the time has come. Exactly, there's one dot left over here, you can see. Okay, so there's only one dot left. It's blinking already. And when I started from Mysore, that was the time I had filled this tank. It was like full. And right now I have driven approximately 500 kilometers from Mysore, and the tank is about to get empty, and the next fuel station which I have put on the map is exactly 3 kilometers from here, and I hope that I get it. And I was talking to you all while I missed out. The police jeep was going right in front of me. Thank God. I hope that they did not see me at all. Oh my goodness, that was scary. But yeah, because using phone while driving is like prohibited. But I'm just recording a video, but still it doesn't matter. We shouldn't use while driving. And yeah, I stopped recording because a jeep went by me, and which was the jeep of police. And I guess I see right side there's a fuel station. Probably I might have to take a bypass road, go to the downside, and then make a move probably. Anyways, let me see. Probably even these guys are out of fuel. But yeah, let me see what's gonna happen over here. Alright, you feel it. Up.
I had no other option. I was running out of the fuel and I had to take the service road and then slightly go to 3 kilometers ahead and then take a U-turn to the opposite side and come here just to fuel up my Hyundai Eon. I'm just taking up a petrol into this car and I'm doing a full tank, and this has gone all the way up. It's a full tank now. Let's go another 500 kilometers.
So right now we are on this road, and which is like literally supposed to take us to Pune, and then we will be heading towards Mumbai. Right now we are just left with 472 kilometers. So let us hope to finish it as early as possible, because I have to be there. And but before this, approximately like 40 kilometers, I drove the vehicle entirely in the traffic, and it was so boring. Trust me, dude. You drove. So I felt very boring because you drove for 12 fucking hours on a very good 4 to 3, 4, 5 lane of highway at the average speed of approximately 80 plus, and then suddenly you drop to 40. That was literally so boring. But anyways, this is my route for the next 9 hours. Okay, so I hope to finish it. Let us see how it goes. Alright, chalo, see you probably at the dinner place. भैंस की टांग एंड लिटरली क्रूजिंग एट 80 देखा ही नहीं मैंने. जहाँ पे आप ये गाड़ी देख रहे हो ना आगे, लिटरली वहाँ पे उसी उतनी ही दूर पे एक गाय आ गई, छोटा सा गाय का बछड़ा, और ग्लैड थैंक गॉड मैंने देख लिया, वरना लग जाते मेरे तो. एनीवेज, नीड टू बी सेफ, इट्स नाइट टाइम.
Guys, we are about to reach, but I have to have my food. I have to have my dinner. I'll probably drive up until 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning, and probably I might have to take sleep because I have been driving since 7-8 a.m.
So this way, this road goes towards my dad's farmhouse, and 2 years ago, it's been 2 years that I haven't been on this road. And dude, look what is happening. They are constructing a new road above 30, 40, 50 feet, and then that's seriously next level. Never expected that to happen over here. And constructions started. Life's going on too fast. I don't know what to do. Anyways, let's see. Good morning everyone. So right now it's 1:26. 1:20 I woke up, washed my face and got ready, and that's what we are heading towards Nipani now. Pune now from Nipani. We had a good sleep of approximately 2 hours, and we hope to reach Pune before 5 or 6 probably. Anyway, let's see. Chalo, see you on the way.
So I had my dinner and I met my dad, spoke with him for a while, and then after that I slept for 2 hours, and it's just 1 o'clock. My target is to reach Pune early in the morning around 5, as I told you earlier, but I'm slightly sleepy, but I have to drive. I have no other option because I have some work to be done, which is very important. So I will try my best, but in case if I'm unable to drive, because sleep matters, and driving when you do not have a proper full sleep is very dangerous. So I probably will try to sleep, but in case if I'm able to drive, I will try my best to drive. But in case, in any chance I am able to drive, I will try my best to drive. So right now I am just 6-7 hours away from Pune. So good night to you lovelies, and see you next morning. ऐसी बकचोदी किसी के साथ ना सुबह सुबह बिल्कुल ना हो जिंदगी में. मर गई गाड़ी, लगता है किस्मत ही खराब है. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.